Volvo Supertruck. The Volvo Supertruck is a game-changer in the trucking industry, combining cutting-edge aerodynamics with lightweight materials to achieve incredible fuel efficiency. Volvo's goal was to create a truck that could improve fuel economy by 70%, and they've done it. The Supertruck's design reduces drag, and its hybrid powertrain makes it both powerful and eco-friendly. Inside, the cab is designed for maximum comfort, with advanced driver assistance systems to ensure safety on long hauls. This is not just a truck, it's a glimpse into the future of freight transportation. Iveco Z Truck. Next up, we have the Iveco Z Truck, a concept that takes sustainability to the next level. The Z Truck is powered by bio-LNG, making it a zero-emissions vehicle. But it's not just about the environment. The Z Truck also focuses on the driver's experience. The cab can be customized for different uses: sleeping, working, or driving. With its automated driving features and smart connectivity, the Z Truck offers a vision of a future where trucking is both efficient and comfortable, setting new standards in the industry. Walmart Advanced Truck. Walmart is not just revolutionizing retail, they're also innovating in transportation. The Walmart Advanced Truck, known as the Wave, is an ultra-aerodynamic carbon fiber truck designed to reduce fuel consumption by 20%. It's powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, showcasing Walmart's commitment to sustainability. The cab is unlike anything we've seen before, with a central seating position and expansive digital displays that provide the driver with all the necessary information at a glance. Walmart's truck of the future is a bold statement about where the logistics industry is headed. Mercedes Future Truck 2025. Mercedes-Benz is no stranger to innovation, and the Future Truck 2025 is a perfect example of their forward-thinking approach. This truck is all about autonomous driving. Equipped with the Highway Pilot system, it can navigate roads without driver input. The exterior features a sleek aerodynamic design, while the interior is built for relaxation and productivity, allowing the driver to focus on tasks other than driving. The Future Truck 2025 represents a new era in transportation, where trucks drive themselves, making the roads safer and more efficient. Volvo Concept Truck. Volvo strikes again with their concept truck, a project focused on reducing energy consumption. This truck boasts a 30% improvement in fuel efficiency thanks to its lightweight materials, improved aerodynamics, and a hybrid powertrain. Volvo has integrated a kinetic energy recovery system, similar to those used in Formula One, to further boost efficiency. The concept truck also features advanced connectivity, allowing it to communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure to optimize routes and reduce traffic congestion. Volvo is clearly leading the way in sustainable trucking solutions. Hyundai HDC6. Neptune. Hyundai's HDC6 Neptune concept is a bold step towards a hydrogen-powered future. This Class 8 heavy-duty truck is named after the Roman god of the sea, reflecting its potential to transform the transportation industry. The Neptune is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, producing zero emissions and only water vapor. Its sleek, futuristic design is inspired by Art Deco architecture, making it not just a technological marvel, but also a visual masterpiece. Hyundai is positioning the Neptune as the truck of tomorrow, with sustainability at its core. Hyundai Trailer Drone Concept. The Hyundai Trailer Drone concept is an innovative solution for the logistics industry, combining hydrogen fuel cell technology with autonomous driving. This concept features a trailer that can be paired with a self-driving drone, allowing for flexible and efficient cargo transport. The modular design means that the trailer can be adapted for various types of cargo, making it a versatile option for different industries. The trailer drone is more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into a future where logistics are automated, efficient, and eco-friendly. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. Mercedes-Benz is not just reimagining trucks, They're also transforming public transportation with the Future Bus. This autonomous bus is designed for city use, equipped with City Pilot technology that allows it to navigate through urban environments with ease. The bus features a sleek, modern design with large windows and spacious interiors to enhance the passenger experience. It can communicate with traffic lights and other infrastructure to optimize its route, reducing travel times and increasing efficiency. The Future Bus is a step towards smarter, more connected cities. Willie Transparent LCD Bus. The Willie Transparent LCD Bus is a unique concept that combines public transportation with interactive technology. This bus features transparent LCD panels on its windows, allowing passengers to view real-time information, advertisements, or even art installations as they travel. The concept is aimed at enhancing the commuter experience, making public transportation more engaging and informative. The Willie Bus is a futuristic blend of technology and design, offering a glimpse of how transportation can be both functional and entertaining. Transit Elevated Bus, TEB. The Transit Elevated Bus, or TEB, is a revolutionary concept from China designed to tackle urban traffic congestion. The bus travels above the road on tracks, allowing cars to pass underneath it, thus saving road space and reducing traffic jams. The TEB can carry up to 300 passengers and is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional buses, running on electricity. Though still in the conceptual phase, the TEB represents a bold vision for the future of urban transportation, where innovative infrastructure solutions help manage growing city populations. Furrion Elysium. Finally, we have the Furrion Elysium, a luxury RV concept that's more like a mobile mansion than a traditional motorhome. The Elysium is equipped with a helipad and a two-seater Robinson R-22 helicopter, making it the ultimate vehicle for those who crave adventure without sacrificing luxury. Inside, you'll find high-end amenities like a rooftop hot tub, a spacious living area, and a fully equipped kitchen. The Furrion Elysium is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of opulence and innovation, taking luxury on the road to an entirely new level.